Hi guys, today we'll discuss about how to Google Word AI can access and it can be joined to internet. And presently it is not available outside UK and USA. So if you want to access these from different countries, then you have to enable your VPN access. So VPN access could be any kind of VPN access. So I use this VPN, this touch VPN. Then it is now access to United States. So after that, I am able to access bar.google.com join wish list. Then you have been added to the wish list. Then you will be getting one mail like that, and wait for some time. You will be able to log in. Maybe it will take maybe some time to activate. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and giving a like. Thank you.